Every EV's got a little bit of personality to it, each different one. It's always kind of hard to choose, but just do a test drive. You'll be a changed person.
This is my third today. Getting away from the combustion engine is a challenge for me, but I swore I'd never have a cell phone or a computer, and I have them both now.
It does feel a lot more luxurious inside. It does. It does, and then it's just so seamless. It's just a very good experience.
When you're happy, your mind's at ease and everything's okay. Oh my God, I love it.
I mean, I wasn't skeptical, but I'm like way more on board now that I've driven them.
I've never really talked to Excel, so that was really nice. They're really all in about the chargers, because that's a big one.
What I love the most is no maintenance. It's just windshield wiper fluid, wiper blades, tires, that's it.
I get to buy my nieces and nephews ridiculous gifts now with all that money that I was losing to gas. I was losing at least $600 a month. When the dollars make sense, get an EV.
The event was great. You guys should do more like this because everybody should know what we're telling here, what we're doing here with the EVs. Go electric.